Hello guys, welcome to Tech Talks. Have you tried this new feature in YouTube guys? That is enabling dark mode in YouTube. So from now onwards, you can also enable dark mode in YouTube whenever you want. So this is the new feature guys. I think most of us like dark mode rather than light mode. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to enable this dark mode in YouTube. Without any further delay, let us start our video now. So, to enable dark mode in YouTube, first open YouTube guys. Now click on this profile icon. So, here you can find settings option. So, just click on it. Now click on this general option. So, that's it guys. Here you can find dark theme. So, just enable this radio button. So, from now onwards, your YouTube app will run in dark mode only. So, whenever you want to disable this app, just click on this radio button. So, based on your needs, you can enable it or disable it. So that's it guys, we have done for now.